Hello all, this is Abhay Shah, Director at Leo Packers and Movers. We're all in an extremely unprecedented times, economic and health emergencies that none of us would have anticipated or planned for. We're all being caught off guard and hoping things will come back to normal soon. Normally, the month of March and April is a time when a lot of people plan their house shifting. This could be either within the same city or between cities. Before the corona crisis, even Leo was prepared and scheduled for these movements. Our clients are usually referred clients or repeat clients or corporate clients. Now this crisis no doubt has put an abrupt halt to all these plans. My intent to share this video is for you to look, anticipate and plan beyond the current situation. I am very confident that we will come out of this very soon. Now once we are out of these crises, it is very important that we quickly align ourselves to make up for the loss of work and the time during this period. Now the scope of this video is only for those people who have cancelled their relocation or house shifting because of these crises and are planning to move immediately after the lockdown is lifted. Now quick 5-point advice. Number 1. Stay in touch with the relocation company that you have confirmed your house movement before the lockdown. It is best to drop in a mail giving them the tentative dates. I understand with the current situation it is difficult, but nonetheless stay in touch with them. Point number 2. If you're moving to a rented house, make sure landlord knows your moving dates and you've taken all the necessary permission required from the apartment association. Point number 3. If your relocation company is not responding, best to take an alternate quote as a backup. Point number 4. Once things become normal, make sure your relocation company maintains the necessary hygiene during the complete relocation process. Taking proper precautions must become a new way of life. Point number 5. Last but not the least. Post the corona crisis, there will be tremendous stress on all the sectors and the industries. Therefore, it is imperative that you meticulously plan and, most important, engage a relocation company that has the capacity and the capability to execute your home shifting efficiently and professionally. Thank you. As of now, stay indoors, take care and please be safe.